wheelbarrow? No, I thought you were bringing it. Where would I get a wheelbarrow? How about Brentwood Industries? I heard they have pink ones.
We are a thermoforming company. So what that does is we use heat and vacuum to form parts.
This department right here is automotive parts. We also do, again, like wheelbarrows. They do more pharmaceutical parts. And then in light gauge, they do things for batteries and, actually shingle inlays, a lot of plastic parts.
We get a lot of parts that we get from outsiders, from some parts from different vendors.
This is heavy gauge department, and right now we're actually forming parts over on this side. It goes through a forming process, then it goes into a CNC machine that will cut all the pieces out. All those extra pieces from that part, they all get recycled.
Everything that gets cut off of the parts and all of the scrap web gets sent back to our suppliers and gets ground down and placed back into the sheet, and then we repurpose that into the raw material that we manufacture our parts with.
So Eric, why are we gowning up?
That's a great question. So we gown up because this is a Class 7 clean room, and we make packaging for medical operations. So if our product is in an operation room, literally in the middle of surgery, it needs to be pristine.
It feels great knowing that we make material that helps people. Premier Thermoformer, we make both automotive and medical parts. And it's nice seeing that applied in the real world.
Been blessed to be with Brentwood for 2 years now. It's a great company that services a wide variety of markets, including medical and automotive. And with very humble beginnings, the company has seen explosive growth over multiple generations of family ownership. And it's been exciting to be a part of that.
What's so cool about manufacturing is you get to make a lot of different things, and a lot of our products help a lot of people, so we get to actually see a lot of our things going to give clean water to a lot of different people and help cool water down for different other manufacturing processes.
Well, that was awesome, but we still don't have a wheelbarrow. Yeah, but why are we gardening in winter?